Welcome back traders and curious minds. We are back for another video on margin trading with Manvi. So far, we have discussed a lot of important concepts pertaining to margin trading. And today, we are going to discuss something that I am sure you might have had a doubt about, at least for a second. In essence, margin trading is when you trade using borrowed money. And let's be honest, nobody hands out free ka paisa. So today we are diving into what exactly you need to pony up to play the game. Let's get a grip on what collaterals are needed to trade with margins. Margin trading is basically like a turbo boost for your investment power in the stock market. It allows you to buy more securities than you can with just your cash by borrowing money from your broker. But here's the catch. Your broker isn't just going to lend you this money out of goodwill. They require what is known as collateral. In simple terms, collateral is like a security deposit. It's what you offer to hold against the money you borrow. Under the regulations set by the Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI, acceptable collaterals include cash, shares, bonds, and even mutual fund units. Let's break this down. First, cash. This includes the money in your trading account or bank. Second, shares. You can pledge certain approved securities at their current market value. Third, bonds and government securities. These are considered highly secure and usually fetch a good borrowing value. And fourth, mutual fund units. These can also be pledged provided they meet the eligibility criteria set by the broker. Collateral serves a dual purpose. First, it protects your broker. If you fail to meet a margin call, basically a demand to top up your account to maintain minimum margin requirements, the broker can liquidate your collateral to recover the loan. Secondly, it protects you by limiting your borrowing to what you can reasonably expect to repay or cover with your investments. It's a built-in safety net that prevents you from diving too deep into debt. While it might sound like using mutual fund units, bonds, or shares as collaterals can be an easy way to start margin trading, you must keep in mind that anytime there is margin call and you fail to meet the margin requirements, the broker is free to liquidate your collateral and recover the amount. Managing your collateral is a crucial part of your trading strategy. Here are a few tips. Number 1, monitor regularly. Keep an eye on the market value of your pledged assets. If their value drops, you might need to adjust your collateral. Number 2, understand terms and conditions. Different brokers have different policies regarding what is accepted as collateral and the loan to value ratio. While collateral offers many benefits, there are risks. The most significant is the potential for a margin call during market downturns, which could force you to liquidate positions at a loss to cover the shortfall. Also remember, pledging your investments can tie up assets that you might otherwise want to sell or trade, reducing your flexibility. Collateral is a foundational element of margin trading, providing security for both you and your broker while enabling larger market positions. As with all investment strategies, it requires careful consideration and management. Thanks for joining us. That's all for today, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay informed, stay secure, and trade smart.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.